Hi, this is Matt with Holly Inspections. At today's flip house, we are at item number 111 that's wrong with it. And we've just barely made it to the inside of the house when we come to the basement here. So you see, when we move the camera from left to right, the color of the carpet, and it is quite a bit darker over here in this corner. So up above, you can't see it because you don't have x-ray vision, is the front porch of the house. Along the front porch, all the trim is rotten. Quite a bit of moisture damage out there. Now, I'm gonna take our handy dandy moisture meter. Oh, wow, 100% moisture on the floor down here. We had an idea just from the rot on the outside that we could potentially find this, but then we come inside, we see the darker color to the carpet. We confirmed it with the moisture meter that we do have an active leak somewhere in this house. So remember, for all your home inspection needs and all your home inspection questions in the St. Louis and the St. Louis Metro East area, call Holly Inspections at 314-257-0040 or 618-593-9631. We wish everybody a safe and happy day. Thank you.